Hello children, today in English we are going to start with new lesson of grammar, that is lesson number 26, conjunctions. So now first, what is the definition? What does conjunction mean? Conjunction is the joining word. It joins a group of words or two sentences. So here in exercise A there are few examples given. So let us look at the given examples. Number 1 says Lucy and Mary are sisters, and you can see that and is given in bold. So and is a word that joins Lucy and Mary and which makes a complete sentence. Number 2 says these mangoes are ripe and sweet. So again and is the joining word which joins two words, that is ripe and sweet. Ripe and sweet are the two qualities of mangoes. Similarly, looking at example number 3, John is fat but Nina is slim. Now here there is a comparison between two children. And what is the conjunction used? That is but. So but is the joining word which joins two sentences. John is fat, Nina is slim. Number 4 says, is this man old or young? The word or joins the two words old and young. So old and young being opposites, it is joined with or. So either the man can be old or can be young. Similarly, example number 5 says Robin could not catch the train because he was late. Now here the conjunction is because. Now because gives us a reason why Robin could not catch the train, as he got late. So here because is the conjunction. Now moving further to exercise B. Now exercise B says underline the conjunctions in these sentences. Number 1, Ravi is fond of fruits and green vegetables. So what is the word that is joining fruits and vegetables? That is and. So and is the conjunction. So we will underline and. Number 2, Ram Kumar is poor but honest. Now poor and honest are the two qualities of Ram Kumar. But being poor and being honest are something which are not been found in the same person. Like we generalize that being poor will make him dishonest, but here we say that Ram Kumar is poor but he is honest. Number 3, is Rucha a good dancer or a good singer? So here we are asking about whether Rucha is a good dancer or a good singer. So either she is a good dancer or a good singer. So or is the conjunction. Similarly, number 4, everybody loves Rahman because he is sincere. So why everybody loves Rahman? Because. So the next sentence is giving us the reason and it is joined with because. So similarly, you can try with the rest of 6. Okay, I will send you the answers afterwards. So in your notebook you are going to copy this blue box on the previous page, which is a definition. You are not going to copy any of this. Then you will copy exercise B, and whenever you write this, just leave one line after writing number 1 then number 2. Okay. Exercise C says fill in the blank with and or but or because. So you are going to use any of this which you find relevant. Let us try some. Number 1, both Sam dash John are in the team. So both. So here what will come? And. Okay. So when you will read the whole sentence, you will come to know what is the correct conjunction to be used. Now again, second example, she is smart, comma, kind, dash intelligent. So here when comma is given, you know that they are talking about some qualities that she has. Okay, so smart, kind and intelligent. Okay. Then number 3, tea is hot, dash, ice cream is cold. So here they are talking about opposite things. So what will come? Tea is hot but coffee is cold. Similarly, number 4 says, is our new teacher old, dash, she is young. So old and young, again opposite. So either she can be old or she can be young, as we looked at the previous example of old man. Okay, so again we are going to use or. So similarly, the rest 4 I want you to try on your own. I will send you the correct answers afterwards. Then exercise D says carefully read the following examples to understand how we join sentences with conjunctions. So here are the examples given. Number 1 says Anu has a pen, Anu has a pencil. So when we need to join these two sentences, you can see that Anu has a pen, Anu has a pencil. So what is repeated in the second portion? Anu has. So when we are going to join this, we are going to omit this portion. Anu has a pen and a pencil. Okay. Number 2. The sun rises in the east. It sets in the west. So in the second portion, it is used for the sun. So we are not going to use it. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Similarly, number 3 says the house is small, the house is good. Now, usually we think that small is not good, okay, when we talk about house. But here the house is small, but it is good. So we are going to join it with but. And when the house is repeated, the houses, so we are not going to use it again. The house is small but good. Okay. Then moving further. Number 4, page number 76. Number 4 says, I ran fast. I missed the bus. So when we run fast, we think that we are going to catch it, but he has missed it. So I ran fast, but I missed the bus. Number 5, is your father a doctor? Is your father a teacher? So here is a question where is your father is repeated. Is your father a doctor or a teacher? Number 6 is walk carefully, you might slip. Walk carefully or you might slip. Number 7, I respect him. He is very noble. I respect him because he is very noble. So these are the examples. So again, read it on your own and try to understand how the conjunctions are to be used. Then moving to exercise E, this you need to copy. So in total you will copy this box. Exercise B, exercise C and exercise E. D you will not copy. Tick the correct conjunction that can be used to join the sentence. So here we are going to select the correct conjunction from the 3 given. Number 1, we cannot go out dash, it is raining. We cannot go out, it is raining. So what are we going to join the sentence with? We cannot go out because it is raining. Okay. So you are going to tick because and you are going to write the sentence also as you join it. We cannot go out because it is raining. This is how you are going to write the answer. Number 2, he is old, he is strong. So again, being old, we presume that he may not be strong. So he is old but he is strong. So we are going to take but. Now coming to number 3, he is old, that full stop, he is weak. So being old, we presume that he is not strong, he is weak. He is old and weak. Okay. So these are the 2 qualities that will go together. We expect that we think that old people are weak. It's not true always. And similarly in the second example we saw that he is old dash, he is strong, but he is strong and he is weak. Okay. So similarly just think, read the whole sentence and try to solve this. Last 4 you are going to do it on your own and try to do it on your own. Again read the lesson, again understand the explanation part. Okay, watch the video twice and try to do it on your own. Thank you children, happy learning.